If you want to save some time on your next painting project, then a paint sprayer is going to help you make that job go by quickly. In this video, we have highlighted the best 5 paint sprayers that will suit all of your needs. If you would like to take a look at our top 5 list and its details, check the video description below. These sprayers force paint out quickly to uniformly coat any wall. We've included models suitable for every need and budget. The 5th position is taken by the Earlx HV5500 Spray Station, which is a SemiPro unit designed for light contractor, serious woodworking, and automotive enthusiasts. This HVLP paint spraying unit is perfect for use in the workshop, around the home, or even on the job site. The professional gun and the powerful turbine make the Spray Station 5500 an ideal tool to achieve that showroom finish on cabinets, furniture, and even cars. The lightweight Spray Station 5500 features onboard storage for the Pro spray gun, hose, and cord, and includes a carry handle for easy portability. The durable professional spray gun comes complete with 2.0mm stainless steel tip and needle and 1 quart PTFE coated paint container with quick release lever. Up next, we have the Fuji 2202 SemiPro 2 HVLP spray system. The Fuji Spray SemiPro 2 model is perfect for spraying furniture pieces, cabinets, walls, ceilings, or doors. SemiPro 2 spray system offers the perfect combination of versatility and performance to lay down that professional-looking finish. It includes the Fuji M model spray gun, which has professional features such as non-bleed and a dedicated fan control to adjust pattern size from small circular to wide. It has an M model spray gun, which can be converted from a bottom feed cup to a gravity feed cup, and vice versa, making all types of jobs easier to accomplish. The HomeRight's FinishMax comes third on our list, and it is a self-contained machine that requires no hoses, pumps, or air compressors. This sprayer is more user-friendly when compared to other handheld sprayers. It is perfect for renewing and refreshing secondhand furniture, cabinets, and craft projects. It adjusts to 3 different spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, and circular. This paint sprayer has a brass spray needle and housing for longer life. At only a couple of pounds, the FinishMax fits perfectly in your hands and keeps you spraying longer without fatigue. Up next, we have the Greco X5 airless paint sprayer in the 2nd place. This paint sprayer comes with fully adjustable pressure to give you ultimate control of paint flow for any project size. The stainless steel piston pump enables you to spray paint unthinned at high pressure. Moreover, the flexible suction tube allows you to spray directly from a 1 or 5-gallon paint bucket. The power flush adapter connects to a garden hose for fast and easy cleaning. It can support up to 75 feet of paint hose, giving you extra reach for your projects. The RAC4 switch tip allows you to reverse the tip when clogged to keep you spraying. And the best paint sprayer we found is the Wagner Control SprayMax HVLP sprayer. Wagner's 0518080 makes sure that you will be able to use it for a multitude of different spraying tasks by giving you an option to change the spray pattern. Its powerful HVLP turbine makes sure that you are free to utilize the Wagner 0518080 in any way you want. The variable air pressure control lets you go thick or thin with painting. The lock-and-go front end means you can make fast material changes. It has a powerful 2-stage turbine, which helps spray latex and thinner materials like lacquers and stains more easily. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to share your valuable comments with us. If you liked our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day!